Hello and welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video, we'll show you how to create and use waterfall charts in Power BI. A waterfall chart is a type of visual representation that shows the cumulative effect of sequentially introduced positive or negative values. The chart starts with a baseline value, and then each subsequent value is added or subtracted from the previous one, creating a waterfall effect. Waterfall charts are commonly used to show how a particular metric changes over time, and they can be useful for visualizing the impact of different factors on that metric. Now, let's talk about how you can create a waterfall chart in Power BI. To get started, click on the Visualizations icon in the right-hand menu. Select Waterfall Chart from the list of available visualizations. The waterfall chart is added on our canvas. We resize it properly. We will drag the order date into category and sales into value. The waterfall chart in Power BI is a powerful data visualization tool that is commonly used to show how different factors contribute to changes in a particular metric over time. We can see the green bar is increasing and blue bar is total. We cannot see the red bar over here, so we have one more option of adding the breakdown, so we will drag the region into the breakdown column. Now we can see the red color bar has been added. Red color bar indicates that sales are decreasing. In 2016 we can say that sales were increasing for the East region and decreasing for the South region. In 2019 we can see the West region is giving very good sales, and again the South region is giving us very less sales. From the formatting option we can add the data label in order to see the clear picture of the sale with respect to data added on the bar. Overall, the waterfall chart is a versatile and powerful tool for visualizing data in Power BI. Whether you're analyzing sales data, tracking project expenses, monitoring website traffic, or visualizing financial data, the waterfall chart can help you gain insights into how different factors contribute to changes in a particular metric over time. I hope you have understood how to create the waterfall chart and how to use it. In next video, we will be learning how to use Gauge chart. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And keep learning and growing with us.